Okay guys, so Sanur in the morning. Today we will take you to stroll around Sanur because today's video is about Sanur update, especially in the morning is busy, and then we decided to have a breakfast in a one coffee shop. This is our favorite coffee shop in Sanur. I'll show you how busy it is. You see, very nice and almost full house. Hi honey. And this is how the situation in the bread basket in Sanur. If you are thinking to stay in Sanur and then where to get a breakfast, and yeah, this is one of our recommendation for the coffee and bread, and Damian really love the coffee and pretzel. You see, full house. So here's our coffee, pretzel, and cinnamon roll.
Alright, so we are today in Sanur. Previously, earlier we had a breakfast in the bread basket and we showed you a little bit how busy actually was on Jalan Tamblingan today, this morning. And now it's already 4 p.m, it's Sunday afternoon, beautiful weather today in Sanur, the place where we're living. Actually we live in Reno now, but still consider us the close to the Sanur, right?
Yeah, so we decided just to take you to stroll around Sanur by the beach. Before in the morning we take you to the, on the street. So yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna show you around. This is still series of the updates vlogs for everyone who are missing the certain place in Bali. So today Sanur.
We take you to the South Sanur, which is, I think that this area is, famous with the beachfront hotels and also beachfront restaurants. As you see that behind me, this one is the Intercontinental Hotel. Seems, I don't know what to say. But the vibe is a very relaxing, and now there is the pavement here, the footpath, and also the bicycle lane on the right side. So yeah, it's very enjoyable, walking in the afternoon in Sanur.
So this is the area of Intercontinental, and one of the newest restaurants here, it's called Tapa. Many people actually coming here enjoying their time. It's 4 o'clock at Sunday. In my opinion, it's a little bit sleepy today, but maybe because it's very hot. Actually, it was all day very hot. Or maybe what I was just thinking a few days ago, as currently Bali is a little bit quieter. Little bit of the view of Sanur, what you can expect if you come here, if you haven't been in Sanur yet. This is actually hard to believe, but many of our viewers are watching us never been in Sanur. That's unbelievable. So in case if you would like to come and never been, the situation is like this one, right? So now we're gonna show you the few interesting restaurants. Actually, a restaurant next to the restaurant here, one of the two busiest places in Sanur where you can have a, lunch, breakfast, dinner, especially dinner and lunch. Then you have an empty gap. There is like a tour office where you can buy something, few boats. At morning you can find some fishermen coming from here. Then you have a nest spa, some people coming here. Pretty good place for having spa, I guess, never tried. And then you have a Lila Pantai, one of the most popular places here with the nice sittings by the beach. One of our recommendations, I'm gonna tell you. But seems like everything is bit quiet for the Sunday 4 p.m. afternoon. This place is closed here. Wanted to rent this one, but nobody wants to rent out. They just close it for some reason. Dogo, some restaurant. This is Bali life, especially Sanur life. It's definitely much more quieter and more sleepier, I'm gonna tell you, rather than Ubud or Canggu, I believe. Then is another one which calls Omba. And for some reason, it's a little bit busier over here. Today I'm gonna make a little bit raw material so you can see overall situation. How does it look like? They make some refurbishments here, so it's like a patio where they put the tables This is something new. Now every restaurant looks exactly the same. They have just different furnitures and the menu, obviously. But the seating area is the same. There will be live band later on, I believe. This is one of the restaurants with very nice actually decor, and also the pizza. Here we go, and you can find also many things, different things to eat. It's called Coco Bistro, if I'm not mistaken. Little temple to give some Balinese accent to today's video. However, if you've never been in Bali, you're gonna find these temples literally everywhere, every few meters, like this one and this one. And well, this is like a brand new promenade. Not much is going on, not much I can tell you. However, they make it actually very nice, this patio, with these restaurants where you have a glass, like a glass wall, if I can say like that, for the protection. This is a little bit much more modern than usual. Some people like it, some people don't like it. Personally, I like it so much. Then you have a jet skis and legendary La Playa place. I don't know actually why it's legendary and why it's so popular, but it is. But there are also some new refurbishments, like I said, all the patios, sitting areas looking exactly the same. Also, this place is pretty busy. So here we go, some people enjoying their times. And then it's like an empty gap when I was thinking it will be dream place for the Monkeys restaurant in the future. However, nobody knows who owns this land here. I think probably Hyatt, and the Hyatt is just at the front of us. And well, currently you can have a, like a water sports and rent some sunbeds. This is also one of the most beautiful part of the beach in Sanur in general. Actually, every beach in Bali are public, so you can come, but well, on the other side is like a hotel. This one is Hyatt with pizzeria, also very nice hotel. We made the videos here so many times. What is very characteristic to Sanur is like a beach with these boats as decorations, sunbeds next to the promenade. But of course, if you would like to come and enjoy the beach, you can. Just you cannot use their sunbeds, obviously, but you can go more closer to the water and you can enjoy your time.
Okay guys, so this one is the restaurant Damian's favorite pizza. It's basically, so you can see the menu. It's not that very pricey. It's actually affordable and very nice. And you see that people are enjoying their time by the beach. I think that Hyatt Hotel is the busiest hotel in Sanur nowadays.
Well, and it's also at the same time one of the best hotels in Sanur currently to look for, to choose from. This is like a balance between affordable and the luxury, I'm gonna tell you. It's really nice and seems like really a lot of people enjoying their time. So Sayang, what do you think?
Yeah, so what I can see is that almost all the sunbeds are occupied, even the swimming pool also, many tourists are enjoying their time in the swimming pool, with their families. It's very nice to see this, people are very happy with the holidays in Bali.
Definitely. And this is also a piece of empty land. I mean, this is still Hyatt, but not much is going on, and there will be another one. Also, these signs, remember how to walk. This one is for the pedestrians only.
Okay guys, I think that last time when we walk here and then we make a video about where we recommend you guys whenever you stay in Sanur, and then I think that one hotel that we recommend is Hyatt Sanur. You see behind me already full house, I can see from the beach, and the beach is clean, and yeah, very nice to see that people are so happy, enjoying their time, by the beach and also by swimming pool.
So that was the Hyatt Regency Hotel in Sanur. Actually, definitely busier than the Intercontinental and the biggest competition around, I'm gonna tell you guys. And now let's see how the situation looks next to Andas. Maybe in case would you like to stay over there, even if you don't want to stay in the area over here, it's still nice to come and even have a walk or having some lunch, dinner, or maybe enjoy the beach. Then we have an Andas hotel with the lovely security waiting, checking as everything is all right, nobody disturb you. and for the safety reasons, famous music is going on, playing in the club. That's not good.
Well, actually, they have a female DJs there, you know.
Where is the
playing
DJ?
there.
Oh, hold on, I wanna zoom it for ya. So yeah, actually they have a female DJ there. I just realized DJ in Sanur, unbelievable. And the Andas also pretty busy, right? Not so bad. So seems like a Hyatt and Andas, both of them, they are very popular over here. This is the newer little bit, but the same brand, the same company actually. Also the beach surrounds looks like this one, pretty nice. It's middle low tide today, beautiful weather. Anyways, people jogging, driving, cycling, stuff like this one. This is overall life in summer. In case if you don't wanna be in the hotels and looking for some local vibe, there is just next to the hotel there is some local warung, local place where you can buy some merch or you can enjoy some drink. Very nice indeed, very calm, very peaceful vibe in Sanur indeed. And the last hotel on the list today in the area of this part of Sanur is Maya Hotel in Sanur. Actually, they have a Maya U, but Maya Sanur, sometimes I'm mixing them up. Also pretty busy, some people enjoying their time. They have a nice restaurant facing the ocean and little sunbeds. Overall situation looks like this one. Sometimes you can see Mount Agung over there. Actually today a little bit as well. Only this electric scooters driving here and distracting a little bit of the people, but it's normal. Everyone trying to make something, right? It's actually so busy. It's like a special event saying today here or something. I think so. Yeah, seems like a wedding or something.
Yeah, I think you know that they have a happy hours, 50% off. I think that maybe we could have a good time here, you know.
You wanna try?
Nice promo. We need really likes promo.
So eventually we decide to get inside. There's like a special event, so people enjoying their special event times. And this is Maya Hotel. Exclusively today we can show you something from inside because we decide to go to the rooftop bar. Meanwhile, where is the rooftop bar? Over here, over there actually. So this is the view from the top of the bar in the Maya Hotel with the beautiful view of the beach, Mount Agung. This is the view from the top of the Maya Bay, one of the bars over here. You can see the beach, you can see the promenade. Honey, how is your promo?
Hey, look at this one. The menu that is not that pricey though. And remember this promo 50% off from 5 to 7.
Ah, nice. And meanwhile, this is a little bit of the view over here. It's actually pretty cool to be on the top. This is like a treehouse, little bit. View like a treehouse. Kinda. Actually, literally, yeah, because there's the tree.
So I will stroll around to show you how is the Maya Hotel. It's basically, yeah, it's like a beachfront hotel in Sanur, another one. And yeah, this is the restaurant. Maybe for those of you who's staying here and you wanna have a breakfast by the beach. And yeah, I can see that in here it's quite busy though. Many people, many tourists are here. And yeah, if you see that from the pool, I can say that the tourist occupancy, yeah, quite busy. And one thing, there will be a wedding celebration on the top, on the tree bar later on. So yeah, this is the view in the pool. I think this is the room with the, you know, ocean view with the pool. It's very nice breeze and the ocean view. And yeah, I think that on the top people are doing kite surfing. And yeah, I'll take you to stroll around how is the swimming pool situation. So yeah, what I can say, Sanur is really best for the family, you know, vacation. So this is how the tree bar look like. And yeah, look at Damian over there on the top. Hi honey. Don't jump, okay? People enjoying their time by the beach. It's afternoon. Very nice. And look at the mural art here. I think that is the picture Sanur old time, long time ago, I mean. So nice. So having chill by the pool. And yeah, it's very nice. Windy, the breeze. Hi honey. And look at the people are here. Sanur vibe in the afternoon. Wow. So we are now having our time in Sanur.
Check this out, this lamp made from the, you know, like old nails and stuff. There's like an engine from the motorbike actually, or something like that. So cool actually. Next to the bar, like a hungry fish, angry fish.